Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw the Ford Mustang logo. First, begin by lightly sketching a large oval shape, which will form the main body of the horse. Above and slightly to the left of this oval, draw a smaller circle for the head. Then, connect these two shapes with two gentle, curved lines to create the neck, ensuring a smooth transition between the head and body. Next, let's add the legs and mane to bring our Mustang to life. Draw 4 simple, slightly bent lines for the legs, suggesting a galloping motion. For the mane, use a series of flowing, curved strokes to give it a dynamic, windswept appearance. Finally, sketch the tail, allowing it to extend gracefully from the horse's rear, adding to the sense of movement. Now, we'll refine the Mustang's features for a more realistic look. Carefully detail the head by adding a small, almond-shaped eye, a distinct nostril, and a pointed ear. Refine the body's outline, adding subtle curves to suggest muscle definition. For the hooves, draw simple, block-like shapes at the end of each leg, ensuring they appear grounded and strong. For our final steps, we'll bring everything together. Carefully darken the final outline of the entire Mustang logo, making sure all lines are crisp and clean. Once you're satisfied with the outline, gently erase all the initial sketch lines and guidelines. If you wish, you can add subtle shading or a touch of color to give your Mustang logo more depth and a polished finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.